Yo, what's up, guys? Happy New Year. Oh, you're muted, bro.
I was inaudible.
Yeah,
Happy New
not
Year.
audible, bro.
Who
We're not
missed?
starting
Huh?
the audible stuff. We're not doing the audible stuff in 2026.
Okay, that's something that has been left in 2025.
That's been left, bro.
It's been left.
Who missed the streams? Is that what you're gonna say?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Who missed them?
Who missed them?
Me.
Hey, Goku. Is that how you pronounce it? Goku.
Yeah. I got a blueprint hat on today, so no blue Guardian hat. I hope that's allowed. I hope Sean doesn't mind. I don't know. Stream of 2026.
Yeah.
I mean, he didn't send me a blue Guardian one, so he picked his poison, to be honest.
True. But you haven't had a haircut as long as me, so that's why you wear the cap nowadays.
That's true. Yeah, that's true as well.
Really?
That's really why. But yeah.
So yeah, I wanted to wear the cap until my wife said my face looks weird with a cap. But now she said I look like, with this hair, I look like Beavis and Butthead.
Yeah, you do kind of, actually. I'm not gonna lie. You look crazy. I mean, to be fair, I think it looks better grown. Should continue growing.
Looks better grown?
Yeah, you should continue growing it.
Did you know at the beginning of last year I was bald?
Yeah, you shouldn't go bald again, bro. You should never go bald. Yeah, you shouldn't, unless the
3 cherries is more.
Yeah, that's the only time you should go bald.
Or just go to Turkey.
But yeah, let's take a look. So new year, right? So most obvious things to do when we have a new year is just look at the yearly candles. So from the 12-month, we've already opened up. Easiest draws like this wick already. I think we can definitely get into the wick. And then 3 months we have, so the quarterlies, we have this gap down here. To me, if the market's bullish, it has to go lower anyway. So it makes me happy to see it go lower. So hopefully we can get a run down to these lows and then go on our travels back to these highs. I think that makes the most sense. I don't like how we're trading higher and higher, like slowly, because realistically, if we're bearish, we should hold this gap. So we have, what, 20 minutes until the open. So if we start to flip this 4-hour candle, that's going to be the key tipping points for me, I think, honestly. But today was pretty good. If you guys trade my ranges, then we got a winning trade. This was first trade of the year. I got a long from all the way down here. Did you take this? You took the short, right?
I took the short, but because I didn't, my head was still in 2025, where I thought that the range was already over.
Oh, you thought they patched the glitch?
No, I didn't think they patched. I mean, I took the short and I took profits, but after that, someone came into my office, so I couldn't watch my screen anymore. I got cooked.
You should look at stream from there too.
I know, but my setup is not nice enough yet. Yeah,
you should like.
I want to put a bull and a bear on the background. That would be crazy.
Oh, the classic.
Yeah. Blue Guardian is the best. I like that comment. Hey, I got a new merch idea from from Ryan in chat. He says, I need a hat that says 112 212.
That would be pretty good. I mean, that is pretty good. That's something to think about actually, because I have been making like blueprint stuff, just handing it out to like my one-on-one guys. A very special someone's actually been helping me make the merch. So yeah, the very best currently trading 10K challenge. Hopefully we get the challenge passed. But yeah, today I don't want to long the market. I don't really want to trade New York because I got a win in London today, so I would leave New York. But if I had to trade, we're looking for shorts. I would.
I mean, I wouldn't. I'm gonna be honest with you. I would not like to see the market go any higher before the range closes, because then it gets pretty big of a range.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like,
to be fair, it's already almost 400 ticks.
Yeah, how many points is that? Like 100? Yeah, 100 points.
I don't like it when the range is that big, to be fair. But hey.
Dude, Dow actually was insane.
Wow.
No, I'd rather short this market today. I don't like longing it.
I would like to see us take out the highs first, but it needs to be like a pretty good manipulation with a lot of volume downwards. Otherwise, I wouldn't take it.
This 4 hour actually has to kind of flip as well.
Yeah. I mean, you still got the 10 a.m. hourly candle that can flip it, but then the 4 hour already closed. So
the thing with Mondays is when we have an opening gap like this, either this could be the low and Monday makes the low, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, roll bullish all the way to Friday. But could be we reverse all of this and we have a really nice short to the downside and dig even more deeper. That scenario I like more. So I'll just remain with the bearish bias. I guess if I'm wrong, then I'm just wrong, right?
True.
Draw it down. It's the only. I don't know if gold looks any better. Not really.
Well, I mean, it's not bad. If you would take out the high.
I think it will run this high, yeah.
Yeah, if it takes out that high, then it could be a pretty clean short if you get some momentum to the downside. Because then you got the 830 low, which is within the range. Down there. Plus you got a lot of... but the 4 hour candle doesn't look that bearish though.
Gold.
It already flicked like above 50% of the whole candle. Not that I look at that too much, but
I didn't check the dollar actually because we had a lot of stuff going on with Trump and...
I mean, there's wars going on, right? So
yeah, dollar gained a bit of strength, but I think long term I'm bearish on this market. I think US dollar, this is the first stream of the year, so I'm looking for dollar at 96, maybe even lower. If dollar goes lower, then everyone's turning their heads towards gold. Their heads are already turned towards gold, so I think it goes even higher. I don't know how high. Maybe 5K could be the final point of it because I think it's getting destroyed. But I think
GBP... do you see on NinjaTrader that the chart is off?
Ninja?
Do you also see that?
I don't trade on Ninja, but
where do you trade?
Trading View. Sometimes I trade on Ninja, but I don't have. The thing is with Tradeovate and Ninja, it's like a dinosaur, bro. I can't execute on that.
NinjaTrader is a good platform, but now the chart is just off. I sent you this shot this morning, right?
It's blurred. I don't know why. It says we're streaming. Well, you can't stream in 4K. I wish we could, but it doesn't let me.
We can record in 4K though. I'm gonna send you actually a screenshot so that you can see it. Because the weird thing is, it does fill you in the spot where the actual price is. But the unrealized balance will be in major drawdown first. So I don't know if that makes any sense.
Are you on the right contract?
I am, yeah. On any contract, it shows that. Even on NQ, MNQ, any. Look at this. I'll send you a comparison on WhatsApp. This is both real time, right? But it's not that price is gonna go there either.
Let's see.
Do you see it? But if I would take a trade, it fills me on the spot where TradingView is.
Oh, they're lagging behind or something?
No, it's not even
Well,
behind. It's
the
just in a
numbers
way
are-
different place. But it does follow the TradingView chart. So it does not
Let's
put me
have
in
a-
any drawdown. Well, in unrealized drawdown, but not in
Is there an
the
update?
realized one. This is the same as what I had this morning, where my unrealized P&L shows that I'm minus 600, but then when I closed the trade, I closed it for 400 plus. Although the unrealized balance at that moment said minus 600.
I'm trying to see. I think it's an issue on Ninja's end. Or there's an update on the app. Maybe.
Oh, that might actually be it, isn't it?
You gotta update the app. There's always an update. You gotta restart your PC, bro.
No, right? I do?
I don't know. No, you don't. I was just saying that fixes everything, though. But yeah, guys, if your screens are blurred, I'm trying to fix it, but it only lets me stream up to 720 watts. I mean, we should at least be in 1080. I'm trying to figure out why it's not letting me.
Oh, now I have to download a different Replicanto as well, right?
It's all good. I know, but to be honest, like, even in 720, it's so bad to watch.
I'm so sorry.
Change the video quality. No, I think the highest is 720. I think it's a problem on this end. I'll get someone to look at it after. But yeah, if you guys are just coming in, mainly bearish for today. I'm gonna change up this color. Not feeling purple anymore. I'm feeling green.
Monkey. What?
I just read his name as well. I have the highest settings, though, smart. Gideon's trying to doubt you, bro. He doubts everyone, to be honest. That's his thing.
He's what?
He was doubting Gideon. No, Gideon was doubting him. That he didn't have the highest.
Gideon, don't do that.
I guess this open should be decently volatile. We should have a huge regular hours gap as well, because all we did was jump up higher the whole day. So either we run the highs one more time and then we all just click the sell button, or this is a new year. That's what they all say. My new year started last year. That's how you stay ahead. You just gotta start. I mean, I've dissected my time into just different intervals. So everyone works on like 7 days. I have 14 days in my week.
You also have 25 hours, don't you?
Yeah, that's true.
I thought so. I thought so.
I'm very
How do you
nice.
block the 25th hour of the day?
Huge spreads. You're gonna move on to futures. If you're still trading CFDs, trade futures. You don't have to worry about the spreads. That's probably the main reason why most people trade futures anyway.
Yeah.
You have no spreads. You don't have everything centralized. Am I Jewish? No.
You're not?
No, I'm not. Oh. Did you see Trax NYC crash out?
No. Can you
You
show
didn't
it?
see that?
No.
No, I can't show it, unfortunately, because then you'll ruin the. I think we'll get, I don't know, striked on
You ruined
YouTube.
what?
We'll get striked on YouTube, I think. Basically, he literally just crashed out another jeweler that, I don't know, stole money from him.
Ooh.
It was pretty insane.
That is insane.
But yeah, this was my longs this morning. SMT with ES held up nicely for it too. New York.
Did
I'm
you take
hoping
a
for
turtle
shorts.
soup entry? Was it a turtle soup entry?
Yeah, I longed as soon as actually I longed at this candle. As soon as it ran this low, we got the SMT.
Yeah.
I was like
That's
10
kind
points in.
of turtle soup, right?
Yeah,
Kind-ish.
a bit risky, but I mean, to be honest with
I
my
mean,
model,
take the risk or lose the chance, right?
yeah, but to be honest with my model, it's just I'm never gonna sell down here. My model tells me to long, I'm gonna take the longs. Try that out. BGF forever, forever. The RTY, I think this market sells off, if any of them.
I got the doom candle first.
What indicator? This indicator is by out of options. This is a free one, but I'm working to get one made. But it's pretty good because it gives you real-time SMTs. You just got to play around with the settings a bit. It's called Diversions 2 by out of options. All right, let's see how far we can expand off. Honestly, this 4-hour candle has to like flip within the open. Then we can be bearish because I don't like how high we've already reached off. There's 50%. 50% all the way here.
Well, isn't this great?
It's mooning to the upside. Yeah, the indicator is pretty good. Should be able to see some real-time SMTs. But the main markets I do use for that is only ES. Well, last year it was ES. This year it might be Dow again. We'll have to see how we trade or play around for this year. It's looking like, though, from what I can see, the indices are in sync from Thursday and Friday. Like Dow's not been out of sync, neither has yes, so should be decent enough. Good morning. are you doing? Type name. It's just out of options. Oh, let's see how the stocks are doing.
Sorry, I'm just trying to fix my thing.
By the way, guys, if you are in the streams at the start, we called for Tesla at 500. I might just checking my Tesla position right now. Oh, I missed out the close.
What?
I was meant to close Tesla at 500. I missed out 500 by like $1. So,
Oh,
I know, but it's okay.
I'm so sorry.
I think it still has a bit more running room. I don't know what stocks I'm watching for this year. No proper sell. Not yet. But I am hoping for some shorts. I think once we can close below two of these, but I think at the open it might just jump up a bit higher. If any of these guys are going to go, see the RTY could be worth watching for the downside to run these lows, or Dow maybe. Oh, I actually do have a call today with 2 degrees. Did I tell you?
No, you did not. You did not. Of course you didn't.
Bro. Today I might just cook one of the best indicators in the world. I might just make one of the best indicators in the world.
Oh, you're gonna make one?
Yeah, but for myself.
Come on, you can share a little bit, little bit.
You can have it.
Yeah, I bet I will.
Will there be a giveaway today? Yeah, there's a giveaway every single stream.
We already did it in the beginning. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Oh.
Does anyone remember how to put a file in the...
Anyone know how to do what?
Put Replicanto in NinjaTrader.
I don't use Replicanto.
I love it.
Is it actually a good copier?
It is actually a very good copier, better than the one you use.
No way.
Oh,
Do you own Replicanto?
I do actually, yeah.
Is that why you're telling me to use it?
I'll buy with code Finn.
How are you? Long break? Yeah, it was.
Oh, that's nice. Nice job, Monkey.
Triple M. He might be called Triple M though. What's the finish?
5 times, no? Oh, it's
nice.
what
account did you go with?
M.
Oh. No, I was asking what account he went with. Okay. Honestly, I would always go with a 50K.
Yeah. Do you also sometimes have these accounts on websites where you barely log in, but it's actually very important to know the login and you forgot one?
Yeah. No, you were asking me something. I was gonna ask you something, and now I completely forgot.
What are you gonna ask me?
Dude, I lost like 500K in funding. I forgot to tell you guys as well. This was last week because I forgot to take a trade because there's a 7-day inactivity rule. So I lost
No
like
way.
500. Yeah, I forgot because I have so many accounts that was obviously stuck up on my copier. Why do you look so sad after hearing that news?
Me?
Yeah.
Yo, you know how much money that makes you? 500K funding? You, come on. Of course I'm sad for you.
Bro looks genuinely worried.
Yo,
You look so worried. He's like, bro, what is he going to do now?
oh no.
Like, bro.
We should make this a thumbnail.
Oh yeah, they could be better than the ones we have. I had to step in.
Yeah.
I had to change it
same.
up.
I was messaging
One email,
Beef.
yeah, I could. It's because I had like more funding and I was just copy trading all of them, and then I forgot
to trade.
Yeah.
Bro enjoyed his vacation too much. Although I thought you did trade though. I didn't lose any account. I don't know why then.
You don't have the 7-day inactivity rule? Or you might have taken the trade, or you might have taken a micro. I was taking micros just to keep
I
the
didn't take
account
anything.
going.
I didn't take anything generally.
Oh, damn. But I don't know how
email
you
has saved you. Yeah.
It happens. I'll get it back.
Of course you will.
Did you guys see my trade for today?
No.
You didn't. You saw this.
Oh, I did. Sorry, I'm just screwing around.
Yeah, this was today's longs. I think a lot of you guys took this. Literally got a low of that. I'm not sure if you can see that, but yo, what is
go to fight this stuff so that I can trade in the New York session? It's crazy.
What is your bias? I'm bearish on indices. I could be bearish on gold as well, actually.
No, we could be gold and shouldn't be bearish on indices.
Yeah, you know what? You know what? This gold trade does look not the bad, not the worst, actually.
It does look good, actually, yeah.
Let's see what the open.
With what is the SMT, though? With dollar?
This is, yes, though. Sometimes the indicator doesn't work because I only have yes. That's not a bad open. Let me see.
That is not. That's actually pretty clean. Pretty clean. Now we got that for value gap that held.
This is a huge gap from the regular trading. It should fill that in at least. I know gold looks interesting though. I have to watch gold.
Well, more things do look interesting, bro.
Let's see.
Yeah, now I have to use Tradeovate to copy everything. I don't like that.
I don't know how you can trade on Tradeovate. That's probably the hardest platform to trade on.
I hate it, to be fair, because if you copy so many accounts, you have to calculate how many how many micros you have to take. Yeah, the contracts. And I'm the worst at that. I gotta be honest with you. I am so bad. Red folder news in 30 minutes. Okay, that's fair.
In 30. Hopefully we can get done. Hopefully we can just get the shorts in. So we had this wick. This wick's closing below then. And we still have the SMT with the yes. Let me get the shorts in. Oh, this was good. Let's see what's gold doing. If gold can get below this low, we want to go. Then we get around this low down here. I think we have news every day. Let me check the
Yeah, we do.
calendar. Oh, NQ's going. I mean, we should get this low down here at a minimum. Yeah. I don't know what ES is doing. It's way too out of sync.
Don't know either.
Hopefully we just get an aggressive pull on it. Right, it should tank minimum to this low. Where's the gap? The gap needs to get filled. And this 4-hour candle, I'm on the RTH. If we're really bearish on the indices this whole week, this 4-hour candle has to flip for me.
I don't
You
know,
can't-
like the reaction on NQ right now though. It's very ugly.
It's because the ES is still bullish and down.
Right.
One of these guys have to give up. And then we can test it. But I like NQ closing here, holding 50% of this wick and dropping off. That's actually one of my setups.
Didn't tell me about it, huh? I mean, to be fair, this would not be comfortable for me.
Thank you. I still think it runs these lows.
I think so too, but you know. Gonna need some liquidity.
Bro, I can hear you breathe.
Oh,
Yo,
sorry,
can you
sorry.
guys hear Finn breathe? He's like breathing. He's like a mouth breather. Breathing.
I'm sorry. Mouse breather? What?
I was going to say mouth breather, bro. A mouth breather.
This is
You know,
crazy.
we should tank this. Let's all collectively just get in shorts.
Let's all put 1,000 NQ contracts, okay? If everyone does that, we got a lot of thousands of cells.
Yeah, if we all
Just saying.
collectively short.
Yeah, and then form liquidity.
Farm the liquidity.
Do you still hear me breathe?
Nah, it's way better now, bro.
Yeah, because I didn't have it here.
Yeah, just keep that away.
I'm just scared that Gideon is gonna call me inaudible, bro. I gotta be honest with you. We should tank this. Tank it. Tank it.
I hope it tanks, yeah.
Same. Well, it will. That's crazy. If I look on Ninja Trader right now, what my position is in, every single position is a minus 300.
You should be
But-
up if you...
Yeah, but if I look at trade of 8, every single position is up 400. So that's how Ninja Trader charts are off right now.
You do know Ninja owns Trade of 8.
I know. Pretty odd move on in Q, to be fair. So holding that gap, the gaps.
Are you in? I'm tempted to short if it gets back to this wick.
I got out on break even though.
YM, dude, yeah. That's in a world of its own still. But one of these has to take the lows. Either it's going to be NQ or...
Yes, doesn't look like it's going to take the low either.
Dude, I'll take a short. I'll take a short if we get to this wick. If it holds a wick. I'll try it
from high, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I'm going to have to see what it does. Yeah, New York over the holidays was actually good. I checked it out. It's very...
Yeah. I saw that too. I kind of regret not trading though, but you never know beforehand, you know? So that's all in hindsight.
This is basically one of my entries. Like usually when we take a high, so with one of my ranges, I like to just short like this. And I have like a decent amount of stop. But down here, I don't like to sell the middle of the range. Sometimes it can just drop without me. But if it comes back, you know, holds the wick, I'm like, okay, then I can trust the short. I might just drop.
Hope it does. Well, not hoping. I mean, factual it should.
Let's see what the others are looking like. Gold. YM. I don't think it will come back to the wick as well. So I'll probably be done with my idea. But if you guys shorted before the open, then you did better than me. I still think we get the lows if you are holding.
I just like I like to manage some risk where I took like the majority of my accounts out on break even because I didn't like that wick on the 3-minute time frame. But I'm still on a few positions right now.
1 minute. To be honest, I don't trade 1 minute. That's the thing. I only trade 4 and 5.
You don't trade.
But we can watch it. No, but on the one.
Bro,
this is all bounce.
I sometimes even trade
should
just
just
30
tank lower.
seconds.
I don't need these time frames because realistically on the 5 minute, if we trade higher, then we have a wick being made. So I'm like, oh, we should run out like a 1 minute like gap or something. That's how I visualize it in my head.
Right.
But still pretty clean. We're not too far away now.
Mm-mm.
Actually, we are probably 40 points away. Did we get the gap fill? But this is my best setup, you know. All morning we just pump higher. We have a regular trade now with gap. I just want to sell into the gap. So either you got like a nice portion there, or if this market's bearish, I still think within the next 10, 15 minutes, it has to start selling. And then if it wants to go even lower, it has to be very aggressive on its shorts.
Yeah, and otherwise it doesn't go lower, to be fair.
Yeah, that's why.
But if you look on the 5-minute, it just filled the gap there. So the 2-minute just looks a little bit ugly right now, but what to do?
M3. Gold's pretty choppy. I wouldn't touch that right now.
The Russell doesn't look too nice either.
6 hour, M90, and M3. You know what's crazy? All those time frames you just named, I have the completely opposite ones to them. I have a 7 hour, I have 4 hour, and I have M4.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the rest out of this position.
Where are you in?
Hmm?
Here. Where did you take it? From here?
Yeah.
Nah, this gap has to hold for you.
Yeah, but I just don't like, because I was a little bit over leveraged because I did the calculations wrong. Yeah. You like to hear that, don't you?
It is pretty funny to know. We're like, bro, one time I was meant to enter like 10 micros, into 10 minis.
Oh yeah, I had that multiple times, bro. Like that's
That
the
was
worst, to be fair.
But the funny thing is, I went in instant profit and I just held it out.
No way.
That's why it makes me laugh. Could still hit that low. Yeah, it should.
I mean,
But
it should, but it doesn't look clean how I would want it to be. Do you know what I mean?
guess we'll have to see what. Actually, we're coming up to the wick.
Yeah. Because the gap doesn't hold, so well, it doesn't. Yeah, it just smashes through, in my opinion.
Yeah, let's see what we do at the wick.
Not nice. Do you take a limit from that wick, or?
Yeah, but this time I want to see what we do because they're all bullish right now.
I exposed you. Shit.
To be fair, like when I'm entering rejection blocks or wicks, it's always going to be a limit.
Yeah. I'm smart too that I went out on break even, though, to be fair. That was a smart decision here. Just don't like to see it like that, you know. You know.
To buying NQ. Where do you buy it from? Down here?
Did he buy it on IVG?
I'm not sure.
I mean, realistically, we should go to the high now. If you go above that inversion, we should reach that high.
Yeah, so if you did buy, you're good. But me, I would love a bearish NQ. Sorry. That's just me, though. That's just the
Well, I'm
bear in
bearish
me.
too. I'm just not fan of this narrative right now.
Oh, yeah, this price action. Have to see.
I mean, the 5 minutes still holding up, but
Yeah, realistically, it has to close or not get back above this or close. It's really bearish. Because we have the SMT with the S. And then holding up this wick or gap. NQ, bro, I hope so.
well,
Are you still in those shorts?
who,
Nah,
me?
you said it. Thank you. No,
Oh,
he said the NQ's about them. He sold like up here.
wow. That's a crazy one, though, to be fair. Still 1 minute and 40 seconds for this 5 minute close.
Honestly, to me, I think it has like 10 minutes to like really be bearish, because then the next 4-hour candle has a lot less weight to carry and can drop off.
True. I mean, it's a pretty crazy wick if you look at the 4-hour.
Yeah, well, honestly, this whole 4-hour has to flip for me.
Yeah, same. Or at least need to be a bearish candle to be comfortable. Still 10 minutes left. Crazy. It's 10 minutes until end of stream. I miss these days. These I gotta tell you, if you're in the stream, like making the stream, it's literally like we're teleporting in time. I just blink and then the time is over. Huh?
They do go pretty quick. They do go pretty quick. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna lie.
yeah, they do.
I got 23 seconds on this close. The old close actually held up very nicely. It's the OB.
Yeah.
I guess it's waiting on the news.
Yeah, I think so too. That's most of the time when you get these news drivers, you get a move like this, stopping some people out. Because now you got 2 important points, which were in between. So I guess we either consolidate right now or we go to the high to take that out.
It looks pretty rough right now. Actually, all it needs is ES to drop and Dow to drop, and then NQ should.
Well, ES is dropping now. It just has a gap on the 2 minutes.
Oh, it's dropping?
Yeah.
Yeah, once it can close below here, then.
Just needs to hold that gap. Not hold, smash through, I mean. Yeah,
so you see, you're looking at the 1 minute, you're looking at these gaps here. So what I would be doing, I'm looking at this wick. So it's like 50% it has to get below. So same thing, easier for me to look at the 5 minute. But I can see there's probably like 1 minute gaps here without even going to the 1 minute or whatever here. That's
crazy. I gotta be honest with you. But usually on the 5 minute, I don't get as sharp entry as if I go to the lower time frame. But initially, it's more of a risk to be on a lower time frame, to be fair.
Honestly, I just find it easier to read.
Yeah, it's more of a secure position.
Like right now, for me, if it has to go lower, it has to close below this. close below this, then close below this up close, and then should be able to drop off. Two. Nice. What's my favorite? Probably the 4 or the 5. I can do a lot of work on there.
You see? Now we're going up.
Looks like it's stuck.
Yeah, for sure. Even ES is bumping
Yeah, I
up.
mean, at least if you guys got a scalp out, I didn't get anything on this. Kind of, I know this is like the official trading Monday of the year, and it's kind of chopping around.
Mm-hmm.
Don't they know that we're live today?
What?
Doesn't the Nasdaq know that we're live today?
Well, since it's chopping around, it does. Usually
Yeah,
it gets pretty bad when you are on any social media.
It's true. Not ridiculous to say that.
I mean, literally, like when I didn't join the stream and you were streaming that day, the price action was so bad.
Which day?
Mondays and Wednesdays and Fridays. Yeah.
Yo, sometimes I would stream on, well, when I stream on my Discord.
Yeah, but that's not
It was
open
like
enough.
Oh, yeah, true. Look
Nah,
at gold. Oh, yeah. To be honest, I think it was... Nah, I was low-key bearish on gold. But I think... I don't know. I would
I
leave
mean, we
it.
still got news drivers, so the day is not even over, you know. Usually when there's news drivers at 10, I don't even take a trade before that, especially when it's like 30 minutes away. Now I just took the risk and put my stop loss to break even pretty early. But, you know, what to do. Now you got a bunch of weak highs, which you're probably going to take out. So I would rather want this new high that has been formed. I want to see that be taken out and then an aggressive move to the downside, or I want the low to be taken out. But it's 5 minutes until news, so I bet nothing is really going to happen right now. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think, I don't know. This should be... kind of boring New York, but at least I mean, we might have to stop trading London and New York on the streams now. This is so clean. Every Monday,
Yeah.
if you guys look back, we've had a really good trade.
I mean, the Londons are pretty clean moves, and the New Yorks lately are pretty bad, at least. At least the majority of the time.
In a short, nah. To be honest, I don't want to... I'm already up on today, so I don't want to give it back, but I'm still bearish on the day. If I was short, I would short if it gets the wick. That's where I was short.
If I would want to short again, it has to be way more aggressive than now. Now it's just consolidating, building up liquidity to be taken out later. So got news driver at 10, so that's why it gets pretty messy. You know?
I longed gold Friday. Bro, if you long gold whenever, you're probably rich. That market's been in a bull run.
True. Better buy gold than Bitcoin, to be fair. Or silver. Silver actually this year.
Oh, I think these markets are so high though. I don't want to long them. They was last year, right?
No educational advice, by the way. No financial advice. Entertainment purposes only. But I'm gonna long silver. It's 3 minutes until news. You got a beautiful trend line liquidity on the downside. But then to take that out, you first would have to take out liquidity on the top side, which, you know. And then later it will be time to take the hammer out.
Dude, I can't bring it out of this in this price action.
True. Yeah, no, this is terrible. This is genuinely terrible. What is the word of today?
The word of the day today is
Today.
bro, I can barely speak nowadays. But it's gotta be Wait, did I tell you I was looking at MSTR for like a potential longs this year? Some decent.
People say that Palantir is going to go up, though.
I hope all stock crash.
Because of the wars.
But yeah, word of the day, it's got to be NQ. NQ or short? Which one? Which one's easiest for you guys to do?
Well,
let's do short as the day. Word of the day. We could pick the winners.
Short.
2 winners, right?
Yeah. It has to be correct.
Short. Yeah. Short. Nice.
Did my why NQ? No. My screen froze.
Alright, I got 1 winner. Oh, got a monkey. You're the winner.
Monkey. I got
winner.
Rexy. Congratulations, Rexy.
Yeah, congrats, guys. I'm just sorry about the price action, bro.
It's not your
I don't know what to say. We dropped off at the open. We were bearish today. Maybe we still get the shorts. I don't like how this 4 hours closed. But what I will say is, like, heading into the year, if we're bearish, this market has to go. If we're bullish, this market has to go lower to go higher for me. Anyway, so I'll be back streaming on Wednesday. Hopefully, we can catch something good. I mean, if you got the shorts, then, well, if you got the shorts from here to there, then you did get 100 points. If this market goes lower, it has to stay below this OB. I think this is the line nobody should close above. Goes lower, has to go through this down here.
In my opinion, shouldn't even close above the 50% of it.
Yeah. So if we're bearish, should tank pretty soon. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.
See you on Fridays, guys.